श्री राग बाणी भगत बीणी जियो की पहरिया कै कर कावणा एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद रे नर गर्भ कुंडल जब आछत उरद त्यान लिव लागा मृतक पिंड पद मदना अहिनिस एक अज्ञान सुनागा. O man, when you were coiled in the cradle of the womb upside down, you were absorbed and attuned to the Nam in meditation. You took no pride in your perishable body. Day and night were same to you, and you lived unknowing in the silence of the void. ते दिन समल कष्ट मह दुख अब चित अधिक पसारिया गर्भ छोड़ मृत मंडल आया तो नरहर मनो बिसारिया. Remember the terrible pain and sufferings of those days. Now you have come to this world and spread out the net of your consciousness far and wide. Leaving that womb, you have entered into this mortal world, but you have forgotten the vehicle from your mind. फिर पछतावेगा मुड़िया तू कवन कुमत भ्रम लागा चेत राम नाही जम पर चाहेगा जन बिचरे अनुराधा रहा. O fool, later you will repent about your activities engrossed in worldly veil of falsehood and dual-mindedness because of bad company. O human, remember the true God, or else you will be heading towards the clutches of Yama, leading to the city of death without concentrating on God. Pause. बाल विनोद चिंद रस लागा खिन खिन मोह व्यापै रस मिस मेध अमृत बिख चाखी तौ पंच प्रगट संतापै. When you grew up in childhood, you got interested in playing around and slowly started developing attachments with different things. You started becoming more entangled in emotional attachment. Tasting good and bad, you ate nectar and then poison, and then the 5 passions started appearing and torturing you. जप तप संजम छोड़ सुकृत मत राम नाम ना आराध्या उछलिया काम काल मत लागी तो आन सकत गल बांधिया. You abandon meditation, penance and self-discipline and the wisdom of good actions. You did not worship and adore Vahiguru's name. You're overflowing with wanton desires and your intellect is stained with darkness. You're held in the grip of Shakti's power. Tarun tej पर त्रिय मुख जोहे सर अफसर न पछाणिया उन्मत काम महाबिख फूलै पाप पुन न पछाणिया. With the youthful development, you could not distinguish between good and evil, drunk with wanton desires and other great sins, you went astray, and you could not distinguish between vices and virtues. You got engrossed in various vicious actions without realizing pure or impure. सुत संपत देख इहु मन गर्बिया, राम हृदय ते खोया, अवर मरत माया मन तोले, तौ पग मुख जन्म विगोया. By seeing your family, sons, and other possessions, your mind became full of ego and lost touch with Vaheguru within your mind. When someone else died, you calculate their wealth with the intention of taking it. With such a mentality, you have wasted your life in this world. पुंडर केस कुसुमते तौले, सपतु पाताल की पाणी, लोचन समरहे बुध बल नाथी, ता काम पवस माधाणी, ताते बिखे भई मत पावस, काया कमल कुमलाणा, अवगत बाण छोड़ मृत मंडल, तो पाछे पछताणा. Your hair have become snow white, even whiter than jasmine flower, and your speech has become feeble. Your eyes have become watery, and you have lost all inner strength in old age. You have become more passionate and full of lust. In such a state of mind, your mind has become polluted with vicious thoughts, and your body, which was like lotus flower, has started withering away. You have forsaken the Bani, the word of the immortal God, in this mortal world. In the end, you shall regret and repent. Nikkati देह देख तुन उपजय, मान करत नहीं भूजय, लालच करय जीवन पद कारण, लोचन कछु न सूझय, थाका तेज उठिया मन पंखी, कर आंगन न सुखाई, बेड़ी कहे सुनो रे पग तो, मरण मुकत किन पाई. Gazing upon the tiny bodies of your children, love has welled up in your heart, and you feel proud of them, but you still do not understand. You long for the dignity of a long life, but your eyes can no longer see anything. The light of this life, the life's glitter, comes to an end when your soul leaves the glamorous body, and no one is interested in keeping you in the house. O Beni, listen to me, saintly brothers. Who has earned salvation at the time of death? One can earn salvation through God's name only during one's lifetime.